moodfabrics.com.
Welcome back. I'm Siobhan Cruz with moodfabrics.com for the Saffron Ensemble Beginner's Sewing Course. Today, we're going to get started on our top. I'm going to show you how to lay your darts nice and flat. Let's get started. Let's take a look at how we are going to sew in our bust dart. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have your markings, and you want to match up your notches that you clipped into the side. And then locate that dart point and just slightly give it a little press. So let's bring it underneath our presser foot. Now we want to start right here, a little bit before our notch. You don't want to start right at the notch in between, because your threads can get a little tangled. So we're going to move up maybe about 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch away. So let's place it underneath. We're going to lower our presser foot. Lower your needle down. Now you're going to stitch, back stitch. We're going to match up the point with our needle and make sure that we are sewing in that one straight direction. When you get to the end, you're going to sew right through the point. Lift the presser foot, pull off your threads, and leave enough so that you can cut and tie. To secure your dart, we're going to take the ends and we're going to actually tie them off. We're going to create one knot, and then we're going to do it again. And we're going to tie that off and clip the runoff threads. Now that will have your dart laying really nice and flat. Now we're going to take a look at how we attach the front to the back at the side seam. And we use the French seam to attach them. And you want to make sure that your French seam is pressed towards the back. Now let's take a look at our front piece pattern and how you can use the cut line here to either use the crop version or extend the length of your pattern piece. If you're going to use the cropped version, you would just cut along this line, and the 1/2 inch seam allowance is already included. Next, I'm going to show you how you can cut along the line here and add length by retaping your pattern to a new piece. As you can see on our front piece, we cut along our cut line here and we added in some length. We added in about 2 inches. So what you would do is just retape your pieces to another piece of pattern paper and then cut your pattern out as you normally would. So here is another way that you can add length to your top. I just cut right along that same cut line and I just added a simple ruffle right to the bottom. Today we finished our darts and attached our front and back bodice pieces. Join us next time as we sew the straps and finish sewing our hemline. I'm Siobhan Cruz from moodfabrics.com. See you soon.